Becoming an SEO expert in 2025 requires a combination of foundational knowledge, technical skills, and adaptability to stay ahead of the ever-evolving search engine algorithms. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you achieve this goal. Before diving into advanced topics, build a strong foundation in SEO fundamentals. Learn how search engines work by understanding crawling, indexing, and ranking processes, and study how Google and other search engines prioritize content. Master key SEO concepts such as on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Familiarize yourself with tools like Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, and Screaming Frog to analyze websites. Read beginner-friendly guides like The Beginner's Guide to SEO by Moz, and watch free tutorials on YouTube or platforms like Coursera and Udemy. Search engines frequently update their algorithms, so stay ahead by following industry blogs like Search Engine Journal, Search Engine Land, and Neil Patel's blog. Monitor Google updates and keep track of major algorithm updates. Join SEO communities by participating in forums like Reddit's RR-SEO, Webmaster World, or LinkedIn groups focused on SEO. Set up Google alerts for keywords like Google Algorithm Update to stay informed. Technical SEO is critical for ensuring your website is optimized for search engines. Learn website architecture by studying URL structure, breadcrumb navigation, and sitemaps. Optimize site speed using tools like GTmetrix or PageSpeed Insights to identify performance bottlenecks. Ensure mobile friendliness by testing your website using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Implement structured data by learning how to use schema.org markup to enhance search results. Take courses on technical SEO from platforms like HubSpot Academy or Yoast SEO training and practice by auditing real websites and identifying technical issues. Content remains king in SEO. Conduct effective keyword research using tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest to find high-value keywords, focusing on long-tail keywords and user intent. Write high-quality content that is engaging, well-researched, and original, optimizing for readability and ensuring proper formatting. Optimize meta tags by writing compelling title tags and meta descriptions for each page. Use AI tools like Surfer SEO or Jasper to assist with content optimization while maintaining human oversight. Backlinks are a key ranking factor. Build them ethically by writing guest posts for authoritative websites in your niche, finding broken links on other sites and suggesting replacing them with your content, and using the skyscraper technique to identify popular content in your niche. Create something better, and reach out to websites linking to the original. Avoid black hat tactics by staying away from buying links or participating in link schemes, as these can lead to penalties. Practical experience is invaluable. Work on personal projects by starting a blog or website and applying SEO strategies to see what works. Freelance or intern by offering SEO services to small businesses or interning at digital marketing agencies. Analyze competitors by studying top-ranking websites in your niche to understand their strategies. Document your progress and results to build a portfolio showcasing your expertise. As SEO becomes more competitive, specializing can set you apart. Choose a focus area such as local SEO, e-commerce SEO, international SEO, or voice search optimization. Tailor your skills to your chosen niche, mastering specific techniques relevant to that area. Clients and employers value experts who can address specific challenges in their industry. Establish yourself as a credible SEO professional by attending conferences and webinars, sharing knowledge through articles, videos, or webinars, and engaging on social media to grow your personal brand. Consistency is key. Regularly contribute to the community to stay visible. SEO is constantly evolving, so stay flexible by testing new strategies, analyzing results, and embracing automation. Experiment with emerging trends like AI-generated content or zero-click searches, and use data-driven insights to refine your approach. Watch for future trends such as increased focus on EEAT, growing importance of user experience signals, and expansion of voice search and visual search. Certifications validate your skills and demonstrate commitment. Pursue popular certifications like Google Analytics certification, HubSpot Content Marketing certification, and Yoast SEO certification. Enroll in advanced courses from platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and Udemy. Aim to complete at least one certification per year to stay current. Becoming an SEO expert in 2025 requires dedication, continuous learning, and hands-on experience. By mastering the basics, staying updated with industry trends, and developing a niche, you can position yourself as a trusted authority in the field. Remember, SEO is not a one-time effort. It's an ongoing process of optimization and adaptation. Follow the outlined 10-step guide to systematically develop your skills, gain experience, and establish yourself as an SEO expert by 2025. Check out explodingbrands.de for a free listing of your businesses.